Hello, welcome to Learning Together. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to add tick mark in the Excel. To show visually the status of the task, we will use the tick mark. Here in this data, we have task and status. Task is like watch the video, like video, and subscribe and share. And the status, once you watch the video, you are changing the status to done. And to show this visually, we will use the tick marks. Let's see how to do. Go to insert, click on symbol and change the font style. Change the font style to search with W. Wingdings. Change the font style to Wingdings and character code 252. Remember this character code we will use again in the same video. 252 is for tick mark and 251 for cross mark. Click on insert and close. The tick mark is inserted in the desired field. Now you can copy and paste wherever you need the tick mark. Now again go to insert, symbol and change the font size to font style to Wingdings and the character code to 251. 251 for cross and 252 for tick mark. Click on insert and close. But see here, when subscribe status is not done but the tick mark is there. Okay, so replace the tick mark with the cross by copy and paste. Now next method. Here we will use the shift and P and shift and O. Shift P to insert tick mark and shift C to insert cross. Before doing, select the cells and change the font style to Wingdings 2. Here remember we are selecting the font to Wingdings 2. Now hold the shift button and press P. It will insert tick mark. Then if you want to insert cross, hold the shift button and press O. But here again, when it is done, you can insert cross mark and tick mark. So instead of doing that, now we will do with the conditions. If the status is not done, it should come cross, and if status changed to done, the tick mark should come. So we will use if function to create in that way. Now equal to if, select the status cell, B12 equal to done. If B12 equal to done, what we need, if the status is done, we need tick mark. Remember in the first method we use character 252 for tick mark. So now here write B12 equal to done, then character 252 you should retry. If it is not done, then character 251 for cross mark. Close the bracket and enter. But here see, some other symbol is coming. Don't worry, just you need to change the font style. Select all the cells, go to font and change the font to again Wingdings. Remember, you need to change the font to Wingdings. See, now when it is not done, cross mark is there, and when done, it is tick mark. Just try. entering not done. See that status is changing. So this is useful whenever you have larger data and when you are changing the status, automatically it will change the tick mark also. Now next method, using conditional formatting. To show it more visually, like with the colors and symbols, we will use here conditional formatting. For this again I am using if formula only, equal to if, select the status cell G12 equal to done, then return 1. If it is not done, return 0. And I am copying the same formula for another 3 cells. So it is showing whenever done is there, the status is 1, and when not done is there, the status is 0. Now select the cells and go to conditional formatting. Before doing, just change the not done to done and check whether it is changing or not. See, when I select done, it changed to 0 to 1. Now subscribe, not done. It is 0. Now select all the cells, go to home, conditional formatting and icon sets. Now here, according to your requirement, select icon set. I have selected the tick and cross mark. Now try to change status and observe. See, everywhere I am changing it to not done and it is changed from tick mark to cross mark. But you should watch my video, like the video, subscribe and share. So I am changing the status to done. Hope you people also will watch and share my videos. Now the fifth way to add tick mark is again using one keyboard shortcut. Here select the font, change the font style to Wingdings and press Alt 0252 for tick mark and Alt 0251 for cross. You remember in the first method also we use the character 252. So 252 is for tick mark and 251 for cross mark. So here is the shortcut key is Alt 252 for tick and Alt 251 for cross.